experience the enchanting world of tradition and unity like never before. In the mesmerizing landscapes of Bali, Indonesia, history was made on November 16, 2018 at the Mangunpraja Mandala Government Office Square in Badung, Bali. The Badung Regency PKK team achieved something truly remarkable, a grand Pendet dance performance with an astounding 2,621 dancers. This remarkable achievement now holds a special place in the prestigious Asia Book of Records. Pendet dance, deeply rooted in Bali's culture, is a dance of reverence and devotion offered to the Almighty or esteemed guests. This performance stands as a beacon of preservation, reminding the world that Pendet dance is an invaluable part of Indonesia's cultural treasure, especially in Bali, the island of gods. Join us in celebrating the beauty of tradition and unity. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.